If you are looking for budget sneaker, you have probably noticed something. Most affordable sneakers looks good online, but after a few weeks, the comfort drops or the quality does not feel great. So in this video, I researched some budget sneakers that actually offer good comfort, solid build quality and real value for the price. Also prices can change depending on sales and stores, but these are the usual price range in the US. And these are some of the best budget sneaker you can buy right now. Before we start, here is actually matter when buying budget sneakers. First, cushioning, because if the midsole is bad, the shoe become uncomfortable very quickly. Second, the upper material, breathable mesh or quality material makes a big difference. Third, outsole durability. This decide how long the sneaker will last. So based on comfort, durability and real users feedback, here are the best picks. First, the Nike Revolution 7. This sneaker is popular because of its soft foam cushioning and lightweight feel. It's comfortable for daily wear, walking and light workouts. The breathable mesh upper also helps keep your feet cool. Another good thing is the rubber outsole, which provides decent grip and durability. However, this shoe is better for everyday use rather than serious running. This sneaker usually sells for around $60 to $70 depending on the store. Next, the Adidas Duramo SL. This sneaker is known for being very lightweight and comfortable. It uses Adidas light motion cushioning, which gives a responsive feel while walking. The engineered mesh upper improves airflow and makes the shoe comfortable for long hours. In terms of value for money, this is one of the best sneakers in this price range. This sneaker usually costs around $60 to $75. Now let's talk about the Asics Jolt 5. Asics is known for focusing on comfort and foot support. These sneakers offer good socks observation, which makes it great for daily walking. It also has a durable outsole that tends to last longer than many budget sneakers. That's why many people prefer this shoe for regular use. The price usually stays between $55 and $65. Next is the Puma Flyer Runner. This sneaker is lightweight, flexible and comfortable for everyday wear. The cushioning feels soft, which makes it good for casual use. It also has modern design that looks more premium than its price. However, this shoe is better for casual lifestyle use rather than running. This sneaker usually sells between $50 and $65. Finally, the New Balance 574. This sneaker focuses more on premium style and long-term comfort. It uses suede and mesh material, which gives it a more premium look. New Balance shoes are also known for being very comfortable for daily wear. This sneaker is great if you want both style and comfort. The price usually range from around $80 to $90 and discounts are quite common. So if I had to pick the best option from this list for the best value overall, I would choose the Adidas Duramo SL. For durability and comfort, the Asics Jolt 5 is a great choice. And if you want the most stylish option, the New Balance 574 stands out. But overall, these are some of the best budget sneakers that don't compromise on quality. If you want, I can also make a video about sneakers that look expensive but are actually affordable. And if you enjoy honest sneaker review like this, make sure to subscribe.